It is my Doubleplusbass module, which is the very first PCB that I designed and the first PCB I ever got printed, and it works. Can you see? Okay. Now I'm going to turn it up a little bit, but that's fine because you can see the wave goes from rounded triangle with a little buzzy pip on the tops and bottoms, all the way to folded square, and a nice, that's pretty, yeah, and sweep height decay, height, volume, impact, impact high, impact low. I'm not sure the impact is really worth keeping. And of course this is pitch. And here's a feature which I have to eliminate. Listen. There's bleed through. That sucks. So I will figure out how to get rid of that, and then we'll have a really good working kick drum. I'm going to wake everybody up. Turn it down. Well, I turned it down so far, it's not doing anything. Alright, this is Juanito. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch to the end of the video. Okay, I figured it out. Works great, and even with the module making as much noise as it can possibly make, there's no sound coming through. Okay, I'll show you all the repairs I had to do to this circuit. Alright. First, that little resistor is there just because I don't have another trimmer in 1K to put there, so that's just temporary. Here is the first repair I found was, oh my word, where's my screwdriver? There it is. My screwdriver looks dirty. Okay, this op amp U9 had the non-inverting input is grounded. The inverting input should have been connected to this resistor, and the output should have been connected to, where it needs to go. So I had to swap basically those two pins. Okay, the next thing I had to fix was the actually the VCO section, which is right here. This is the LM13700 OTA, and the output needs to be connected through a 22K resistor to the non-inverting input, which is right here. Turns out I had the non-inverting input connected through that 22K resistor to the output of the OTA and the input of the built-in Darlington pair buffer. So that's the second thing I fixed. And then the third thing I had to fix was this. Oh, jeez. Stay in focus, buddy. All right, Q1 right here is a transistor, an NPN transistor that fed Q2. Q2 is the transistor that sinks current from the IABC pin right here on this LM13700 chip. For some reason, this resistor, which is R18, I took it off there, put it on top of this transistor. It's so messed up. But this resistor now connects the way it should on the schematic. I have no idea why the schematic does not reflect this PCB perfectly. There's plenty of errors that I made on this board, honestly, that are mine, but that does not seem to be an error that I made. That seems to be a bug in the software. And I do remember while I was routing the traces, there was some very strange, there was one spot where it wanted to route it in a place that it didn't seem like it really wanted to go. Like there was a rat line from one spot to another, but the trace tool would not allow it, so I had to link them. So there's the three big spots I had to fix on this PCB. The other thing that needs to get fixed in the next revision is I had to take these potentiometers out because one of them is at 100K and one of them is 10, and that's just too much of a difference. The volume, what is now the 10K resistor was part of the feedback of the final amplifier, which made it amplify it really, really loud. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure you watch to the end.